Samsung is likely the only company attempting to threaten Apple's iPad dominance in the market. The Galaxy Tab S series, which includes the Galaxy Tab S8, is a South Korean giant's offering. The new flagship tablet features an 11-inch WQXGA+ display with a resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels and a pixel density of 274 ppi. The gadget is powered by the One UI version of the Android 11 operating system. The premium tablet is equipped with a Snapdragon 888 processor and 8 GB of RAM for outstanding performance. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 internal storage is 128 GB, and the card slot may be used to extend storage up to 1 TB. This chipset has an Adreno 660 GPU for high-quality video rendering and graphics processing. The tablet has a rear camera with dual 13 megapixels and 5 megapixels, as well as a front camera with an 8 megapixel selfie camera for video calls. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 comes with an 8000 mAh battery that enables 45-watt fast charging through USB Type-C face unlock, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, Dolby Atmos speakers, USB Type-C interface for wired music streaming, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, and gyroscope are some of the other notable features on the Samsung Galaxy tablet. Galaxy Tab A8.0, Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and Galaxy Tab S7 are some of the other Samsung tablets available. This tablet will also come in 3 colors: silver, graphite, and pink gold. This smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. What are your thoughts on this tablet? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell button to be notified of my new videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch.